And welcome back to the show. So, it's now Friday, not Wednesday. I didn't work Wednesday because we had a lot of errands to run, and I hurt my back TIG welding. So I spent the day having the chiropractor fix that. And then running a bunch of errands around getting welding supplies and smithing stuff. But it's now a new day, it's Friday. We're going to be getting back to work. Back to work on our Viking projects. So without any further ado, let's get right back to work. that's going to be where we cut off for the day, because a problem that has been around for the power hammer for a while has been persisting still. See how far over that die is? That's a big problem because I have to reset that after each heat, and it gets really annoying having to shut the hammer off and come back over here to fix that each time I want to work more on that big billet. It also means I'm being pretty ginger on the treadle and not running it as hard as I need to, so it's going to take even longer. So I'm going to stop it there. I'll stop the video there, the work for the day, and try and figure out what the heck I can do about fixing that before trying to continue, because I need to run that thing at full power and I can't do that like that. So I'm going to work on today, probably a shorter video, but even though the video is so short, we did get a lot of work done behind the scenes. Between the first heat on the power hammer and whenever I started grinding, I helped Blake get the touch mark a bit more crisply defined, and then we did an experiment where we punched the eye really deeply and then brazed into it using oxy-fuel brazing, just brazen rod and the oxy-fuel torch. And I think with a little tweaking, that can turn out really cool for this Viking stuff. The issue is, though, we then discovered that there's a burn through the oxygen hose, like around here somewhere. There it is. So this is out of service for the time being. 2 machines out for the count. Wow, look at that. But got some work done. Let's see, actually, what dimension did we get this thing to today? Started the day off at about 3 inches by 4 inches by 1.5 inches. So any gain on that would be most welcome. Ooh, to 4.5 inches long. Bit over 3 inches wide from bulging outwards. And looks like we're nearing 1 inch in thickness. Wow. Yeah. We got more work done than I thought. Giving me hope that we can finish this drawing out portion sooner. But that's going to be it for now. So if y'all like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to see our future videos and to see how this project turns out. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.